forgot to tell you in the last class. This is very important. I'll show you how it is important. Now imagine, like, you have some paragraphs or you have copied some text from a PDF document or something like from internet. ठीक है, जब आप copy paste करते हो, तो what happens कि your document is something like this. समझ में आया?
हाँ सर।
आप ऐसे होगा, and what you want to do is you just want to justify it. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will select it. यहाँ पे कोड पूरा होना चाहिए. What you will do? You will select it and then you will try to justify it. है ना? लेकिन वो justify नहीं होगा. Center हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, left alignment, right alignment, but you will be not able to do the justification, right? ऐसा कभी हुआ है? Have you ever faced this kind of things?
सर।
Yes, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So to check that, or it may be having some more spaces in between, okay, and it is very difficult to find. In this case, what we can do is, see, there is a command here which is known as show and hide. Okay, it actually, what it shows all the hidden formattings. So when you will click on this, you will see this kind of symbols. Is it visible to you all guys? This symbol?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wherever you have just pressed the enter, it will give you this symbol. So what you can do, you can, yes, Rani, you want to ask something? Okay. So what you can do, take the cursor to the last position and then press delete so that you can make the paragraph in a proper manner. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
See, could you see this? यहाँ पे हमारा line break हो रहा है ना? Right?
हाँ सर।
So what I can do, I'll just यहाँ पे cursor ले जाएंगे and I'll press delete. तो क्या होगा? नीचे का line ऊपर आ जाएगा. Then I will press here delete. ठीक है? देखो, I'll press here, यहाँ पे delete press करेंगे तो फिर से आ जा रहा है ना मेरा? समझ में आ रहा है? This way. What I can do, I can adjust my paragraph. Clear? देख रहे हो, जहां जहां what I have deleted the thing, वहां से मेरा ये वाला symbol delete हो गया because this symbol represents a enter. See, whenever I will press a enter, it will have that symbol. समझ में आया? So to remove that symbol, what I can do, I will just press the delete. That means I am
Okay,
removing the new lines. समझ में आया ना? अब समझ में आया?
हाँ सर।
Yes, sir.
Similarly, the spaces are represented by this dot symbol. See, this is not a full stop; these are dots. तो आप delete करो यहाँ से तो देखो dots miss हो जाता है. तो just leave a single dot here so that it will represent a single space. समझ में आया ना?
हाँ सर।
उसी तरह से और भी बहुत सारे symbols होते हैं. Like if you are pressing tab, see, it is represented by the arrows. So by using this feature, what you can do, you can see all the hidden symbols जिसके वजह से आपका formatting गड़बड़ हो रहा है. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
You can correct your formatting. ठीक है? Sometimes what happens, you do the justify, आप सारा चीज you are trying to do, but still the formatting आपका गड़बड़ हो रहा है और आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है कि why it is happening. Right? So in that case, what you can do, click on this symbol, it will show all the formattings. तो आपको पता चल जाएगा कि कहाँ पे क्या होना है. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
चलो, एक और टिप्स की अगर मैं बात करता हूँ इसमें, this is not a tip, this is a feature, but a tip अब मैं बताने वाला हूँ. Like you have इतना सारा पैराग्राफ लाइंस है, so don't you think that it is a very difficult thing to एक एक को बैठ के डिलीट करते रहना और ठीक करना, है ना?
हाँ सर।
काफी tedious जॉब, बहुत लंबा सा प्रोसेस है. So see what I will do. I will select the whole document. ठीक है? Then what I will do, I will click on this replace. यहाँ पे दिख रहा है replace.
Yes, sir.
You know what is how to do find and replace, है ना? Click on this replace and here search for caret P. Remember caret P. ठीक है? I'll show in the notepad also ताकि आपको दिख जाए. Search for caret P. What is this? Caret P represents a new line or a line break आप कह सकते हो. ठीक है? समझ में आया?
हाँ सर।
Now what you can do is replace it with a blank space, just a blank space, and click on replace all. See what will happen. See, it has replaced all the what line breaks है ना, और उसको एक
Line.
पैराग्राफ में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. Now it's time for the unwanted spaces here. जैसे यहाँ पे we have extra spaces, here we have extra spaces. So select it. After select, go to this replace. Rather than caret P, search for caret W. ठीक है? Caret W. This represents a white space. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर.
White space. This will represent a white space, and again you replace it with a blank space, and then click on replace all. जैसे replace all करोगे, see all the unwanted blank spaces are removed now, right? Now what
Yes,
you
sir.
can
Yes,
do,
sir.
just press the enter where you want to change the paragraph. See, done. Do you think it is easy?
हाँ सर. Yes sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पहले आप क्या करते थे? You are always used to delete and so on, right? और फिर you have to, मतलब आपको एक एक लाइन डिलीट करना पड़ रहा था, and you need to format. But by using these two simple steps, what you can do, you can create format your document. Is it clear now?